Marketing Director for the Center for Community Action and Environmental Justice, also known as CCAJ. Today I'm going to be doing the drawing to see what you won. So first I'm going to call out the name and also let you know what item you won. So the first one, I'm not looking. The first one is Lisbeth Torres, and she won a thermal flask water bottle. Awesome, congrats Lisbeth. Okay, so now we're going to be on our second one. Our second one is Nina Nugent. So Nina also won a thermal flask water bottle. Nina Nugent. Nugent, N-G-U-Y-E-N. Okay, next one is Jose Zavala. Z-A-V-A-L-A. Zavala. Jose. So Jose also won a thermal flask water bottle. Good luck, everybody. I'm not watching. I'm not looking. Okay, and our winner is Jessica Leon. I believe that's going to be Hernandez, but we'll just leave it as Jessica Leon. And she also won a thermal flask water bottle. And now we are on our fifth winner, which is Michelle Radilla, R-A-D-I-L-L-A, Michelle. And she also won a thermal flask water bottle. And we're moving on to our sixth winner, which is Zayet Sanchez. So Zayet is Z-A-Y-I-T. They also won a thermal flask water bottle. And moving on to the seventh person, we have Americo Jimenez. Americo is A-M-E-R-I-C-O. And they also won the thermal flask water bottle. So now we have number 8. Number 8 with lucky one is Vanessa Romero. So congrats, Vanessa. Also won a thermal flask water bottle. We have the 9th student of the day. So it is Sebastian Rosales. Sebastian, S-E-B-A-S-T-I-A-N. Sebastian Rosales. Congratulations. Also a thermal flask water bottle. And now we're on the lucky number 10. Let's see who won. Who would this be? Jocelyn Nieto. Congratulations, Jocelyn. So Nieto is N-I-E-T-O, Nieto. And Jocelyn won also a thermal flask water bottle. So now we're moving to number 11. So we have a total of 22 prizes. So we're on number 11. So don't be disappointed if your name doesn't come out now. Okay, the next one is Victoria Morano. So Victoria Morano is M-O-R-A-N-O. Congratulations, Victoria. And Victoria won a stereo gaming headset. Hopefully you like gaming. If not, you can just give your gift to your little brother. Next person for number 12. We have Fida Isegra. So Fida is F-I-D-L. Last name is I-Z-G-U-E-R-R-A. Fida. Fida, congratulations. You also got a stereo gaming headset. Now we are on number 13. I don't want to look. And this is for Daniel Uriarte. So last name Uriarte, Uriarte. Daniel, congratulations. And Daniel won a portable charger for his iPhone, or just a phone, sorry, just a phone. Portable charger for phone, not iPhone. Why not all of us have iPhones? So let's see, so number 14. 14, we have Alex Alaves. Okay, so last name is Alaves. Alaves, there you go. Alex, congratulations, Alex. You won a portable charger for your phone. And now we're moving to number 15. So we have Carlos Patino. Carlos Patino, last name Patino. Carlos, congratulations. You won also a portable charger for your phone. We have a couple more. We are number 16. Number 16, we have Serena Vo. V-O for last name, and then first name Serena, Serena. And Serena won a portable charger for phone as well. Remember, we have 22 gifts, and we are on number 17. Okay, number 17, we have Esmeralda Campos. Campos is Campos. Esmeralda, congratulations. And Esmeralda won a portable charger for phone. Here we are, number 18. Who's gonna be the lucky 18th winner? So number 18 is gonna be Abigail Luna. Luna, Luna. Abigail, congratulations. You also won a portable charger for phone. We're number 19. And we have a couple more. Kaya Freeman. So Kaya Freeman, Freeman. And then first name Khalyah. Freeman won a UC Riverside Athletic face mask. Congratulations. Okay, we're on number 20. We have a couple more. And this is for Raul Chavez. Raul, Raul Chavez, Chabes. Raul, congratulations. You won a UCR neck gator mask. And we have two more. Who's gonna be the lucky one? We are on number 21. And we have Adan Rodriguez. Adan, Adan, Rodriguez, Rodriguez. Adan, congratulations. You won a Skull Candy wireless earbuds. Oh, that's interesting. So congratulations, Adan. We have one more lucky one to be number 22. And then we have Carlos Maravilla. Carlos, and then Maravilla, Maravilla. Congratulations, Carlos. So Carlos won an Echo Dot. Not familiar what that is, but congratulations. So that is it, everybody. Congratulations to all the winners for today. Thank you.